All right, so here's the Purrfect Fence. Um, Came out really nice. I really like it here. Nice big gate there. Went around one corner here. There's another gate. This is a 36-inch gate. And then I make it all the way around. And as I come around, we will come to another gate. The cats seem to enjoy coming out on their own. After this gate, then we have the end point, which is up against this side of the house. Now, one thing I did differently with mine is that I have one continuous fence. I did not cut it at the corners. The only break is where the fencing material ran out, which is right at this post here. And then I picked it up from that post, and another continuous piece of material all the way around. It was probably a little bit more difficult to do, but I have the sense of not having any breaks in the fencing, with the exception of the gates. And that's it. That's the Purrfect Fence. Cats seem to like it. Rosie, you like it? No comment.